UiPath stock was tumbling early on Thursday the 13th of March. The automation software company might be a victim of the Trump administration's drive to cut federal spending. Path stock 4-hour chart analysis March 13th, 2025 at 8 a.m. Critical price movement. The current price is $9.70, down 2.41% in the current 4-hour session. The trading range opened at $10 and reached a low of $9.53. Volume stands at 184.34 thousand shares traded in this 4-hour period. Yesterday closed with a 0.77% gain, but today is showing a significant reversal. Technical severity analysis, moving average divergence. The stock is trading extremely below all key SMAs. It's 15.51% below the 10-period SMA at $11.48, 17.45% below the 21-period SMA at $11.75, 18.62% below the 40-period SMA at $11.92, and 27.61% below the 200-period SMA at $13.40. Critical momentum indicators show PPM1 is extremely bearish at negative 20.7214, which is at a danger level. The PPM1 first derivative is at negative 4.4608, indicating accelerating downward momentum. The PPM1 second derivative is at negative 0.3733, showing continued acceleration. Forecast divergence. WTAR 10-period forecast $11.48, up 18.39% from the current price. WTAR 21-period forecast $11.75, which is up 21.17% from the current price. And finally, the low target number 3 is $11.59, up 19.48% from the current price. Market context. The 4-hour chart shows Path experiencing substantial selling pressure with extreme technical deterioration. The stock has broken down significantly from yesterday's close, with price action confirming a renewed downtrend. Trading implications short-term, we are looking at extremely bearish momentum with accelerating downside pressure. Medium-term, there is potential for mean reversion based on WTAR forecasts. And for risk assessment, we have high volatility with significant divergence between current price action and algorithmic forecasts. Key observation: Path is showing classic signs of oversold conditions in the 4-hour time frame, but the extremely negative momentum indicators suggest caution before attempting to catch this falling knife. The large divergence between current price and all moving averages indicates potential for either a sharp technical bounce or continued deterioration if support fails. Key observations on Path stock's daily chart. Technical indicators. Moving averages: Path is trading below all key SMAs 10-day $12, 1.42% below, 21-day $13.03, 9.21% below, 40-day $13.48, 12.24% below, 200-day $12.93, 8.51% below. Price targets: downside support at $12.59, upside targets of $13.17, $13.85, and $14.27. WTAR forecasts. 10-day forecast is $11.99, suggesting a slight upside of 1.4%. 21-day forecast is $13.29, suggesting a significant potential upside of 10.14%. Momentum indicators. PPM1 at negative 0.7447. PPM1 first derivative at negative 1.5077. These indicate continuing bearish momentum. UiPath shares were down 18% at $9.65 in pre-market trading after it issued a disappointing revenue forecast, citing uncertainty over U.S. government spending. The company said in its earnings on Wednesday after the market closed that it expected sales of $330 million to $335 million for its current fiscal quarter, well short of analyst expectations of $367.5 million according to FactSet. Over the last several weeks, we've seen increasing global macroeconomic uncertainty, particularly in the U.S. public sector, and this uncertainty is reflected both in our fiscal first quarter and full year 2026 financial outlook. Ashim Gupta, the company's chief operating and financial officer, said in a statement, The company looks to be being affected by President Donald Trump's aim of slashing government expenditure. Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE, claims to have saved $115 billion in federal spending, according to its website on Thursday, although a Wall Street Journal analysis previously found many of its claimed savings were overstated. U.S. government officials see us as a real avenue to meet a lot of DOGE's goals, but we have to give the appropriate space to let them work through the transition and continue to demonstrate our partnership and value, Gupta told analysts on an earnings call. The statement makes UiPath one of the first companies in the software sector to single out weakness in U.S. federal exposure, according to KeyBank analyst Jason Celino, who kept a sector weight rating on the stock with no target price. Though concerning and with potential negative implications for broader software, we do wonder if it is more company or subsegment specific, Celino wrote in a research note. UiPath is aiming to dispel concerns that the growth of artificial intelligence will undermine the sales case for its robotic process automation technology, designed to automate repetitive information tasks, and has launched its own suite of AI products. UiPath reported $424 million in sales for the fiscal fourth quarter, ended January 31, up 5% year-over-year, but below analyst forecasts for $425.1 million. The company reported adjusted earnings of 26 cents a share, above estimates for 20 cents a share. In a separate announcement on Wednesday, UiPath said it had acquired UK-based AI company Peak for an undisclosed price.